Okay, so this is my unboxing video of, I believe it's the new Earthworm Jim book by Doug Tenaple. I ordered this 6-7 months ago on Indigogo, and I believe it's finally here. It's a very large box, very large, as you can see. It's very thick as well. It's bloody heavy. It's robust. It's come pretty good condition. A little bit of damage to the edge, but that's not a problem. So let's see if we can open it up. Okay. Let's see what we have in here. Oh wow. It's got a funky second box. Get the first box off. Get off. It's got a funky second box design, which is really cool actually. And then around here, just gonna take a little peek, make sure there's no I'm not gonna dox myself. Nope. And so you have the whole pack. There is it looks like an ash can, finger of Poseidon. The checklist, which you can see there. And then under that, I went for the double tier, which is the making of and the actual book. So, oh, a bit of shine on there. This is Earthworm Jim, the making of book. It's a pretty funky fat book, I have to say. It's a embossed front cover with a little bit of shine on it there as well, a bit shiny. Got all your extra bits. And then get off. The main event, which is the most recent Earthworm Jim book, written by the person who actually invented Earthworm Jim, called Earthworm Jim Launched a Cow. So it wasn't cheap, but I think you get quite a bit for your money. I think if you were to buy one of these, you're probably looking at about £20 for each one of these, and then for the comics probably would be a £5. We got all the other bits and bobs, so you're probably looking at about £15 worth there, maybe £20. So yeah, quite the haul. Okay, cheers.